In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use a progress tracking column in Monday.com. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you want to track progress. Make sure you're on the correct board before making changes, especially if you manage multiple workflows or projects. This is important because the progress column will reflect the status information already connected to that specific board. Once your board is open, look for the plus icon that allows you to add a new column. This is where you can expand the way your board tracks information. Click that icon to begin adding a new column to your setup. If your board already has several columns, take a moment to place the new one where it makes the most sense visually so it's easy to review later. After clicking to add a column, use the search field and type in progress. This helps you quickly find the exact column type you need without scrolling through all available options. When you see the progress tracking column appear, select it to add it to your board. As soon as the progress tracking column is added, Monday.com will prompt you to choose which status column should affect the progress calculation. This is a key part of the setup because the progress percentage is based on the statuses you select here. Choose the status columns that best represent the stages of work being completed. For example, this might include columns that show whether a task is not started, in progress, or done. The idea is to connect the progress bar to the statuses that truly reflect completion. Once that is configured, review the progress percentage shown for each item on the board. You'll now be able to see a visual summary of how far along each task or item is, based on the selected status columns. This can make your board much easier to scan, especially when you need a quick overview of project health or task completion. To keep those percentages accurate, continue updating the related status columns as work moves forward. The progress tracking only stays useful if the underlying statuses are kept current. So whenever a task changes stage, be sure to update its status right away. This ensures the progress column reflects real-time information and gives you a reliable view of what's complete and what still needs attention. That's how to add and use a progress tracking column in Monday.com to create a clearer, more visual view of progress across your board.